Hello, each and everyone. Welcome. Today we are going to see two new letters. عين ع ع ع عين عنب عنب عي نا بن عنب ع ع عين. Okay, عين, this glyph and its shape made عين are considered two of the most difficult Arabic sounds for new students to master. You really have to train yourself to learn how to pronounce عين. It is a guttural sound. It is a guttural sound produced from the back of the throat. Produced from the back of the throat. To avoid confusion between alif and ain, in many sources, you will find the letter ain represented by the number 3. So, ain from your throat, from the back of your throat. Try it. Try to not like pronounce an alif. Try to pronounce it like ain. Ain. Try to not confuse it with the alif sound. Just try along with me, please. Ah, ah. Like try it. Try to move this sound, to do it correctly. Ain. Ah. Okay, great. You are so excellent. And don't forget, practice makes it perfect as usual. So this is the second letter for today's lesson. Sorry, ra, ra, غين, ra, ra, غين, غزال, 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 غ, 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 غين. Okay. Ghain, like Ain, you really have to train yourself to learn how to pronounce Ghain. It is a gargling sound produced from the back of the throat. It is produced also from the back of the throat, of your throat. Just try it. Agh, agh, gha, غيري المغضوب غيري 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 ال ما غ دو بي المغضوب غيري المغضوب أغ غ الغين. From the back of the throat, the sound is similar to the R found in French, like the letter R. For French speakers, it is like so easy to pronounce, I assume. Because of this alien sound, in many sources, you will find the letter Ghin represented by number 3 and with a dot on top. And now let's move on to my favorite part, the writing part. I will show you how to write it correctly. Okay, Ghain and Ghain look alike, or they are like shape mates, as we said before, and they look like a reverse 3 number. So this is 3, as you know. So Ain and Ghain look like this. This is so much like a reverse 3, as you can see. Okay, this is not. Ghin follows the same basic shape with a dot on top. So we should. This is the dot on top, sorry. So this is Ain. And this is rain. Let's try it again because they are shape made. So I'm going only to write the shape, the basic shape. Okay, look, little semicircle and a huge semicircle down. Little semicircle and a huge semicircle down. Little semicircle, huge semicircle down. And the dot on top for the case of rain. Okay, guys, see you next lesson. Goodbye.